Home Show.
Jeff from Friendswood has a question about a leaky coil.
Yeah, it's in a home that he bought. It's brand new when he bought it in 2016, Tom. Jeff writes, the house has 2 AC units, and one is a 1.5-ton unit for the upstairs game room. And it's barely 4 years old, and recently it quit cooling. Come to find out, it was a hole in the coil, the evaporator coil. So the AC company installed a new one under warranty. Of course, Jeff says he had to pay labor, and he understands that. But what he's concerned about, Tom, is should this kind of problem happen to such a new AC?
It's not that it happened to a new AC, but sometimes you can get bad batches of coils that come out from the manufacturer. It's not uncommon. It's been happening over the years with all the different manufacturers, the different brands. So unfortunately, I hate to see it happen to you. When I had mine put in 22 years ago, my AC contractor actually bought a second coil because he had heard some things about it. And I think it's still sitting in his warehouse today. I never had the problem, but he was over exuberant and was wanted to protect me. He was very nice, a good old friend of mine who was a great air conditioning contractor. But the bottom line is this, is usually with the warranties, you're going to get probably a 10-year warranty on the equipment, 1 year on the labor, so you will have to pay labor. That's part of the deal. And will this happen again and again? I don't think so. So if he put the coil in right and they backed it up and gave him the free coil, it didn't cost anything, which it should, then I would not lose sleep over it at all. If it's performing right, just keep your maintenance on it, call for your yearly checkup, you should be fine.
All right. And you'll be fine like that if you go ahead and send us your questions. See, we can help you out. Just visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on the Ask Tom button and send us your question. We'll put out a video like this. We post one every day, 7 days a week at HomeShowRadio.com, our YouTube channel, and Facebook.